Sweetwater Wetlands Park has an actually pretty rich history. Back in the early 1900s, this whole area, including Painesbury, which we share our southern border with, was owned by a single family known as the Camp family. It was a cattle ranching family, and that was their livelihood. That's how they made their living. In 1927, they wanted to expand on their cattle ranching area, and to do that, they built a man-made canal connecting Sweetwater Branch Creek, which runs through downtown Gainesville, directly to the Alachua Sink in Painesbury. And the sink leads directly to the Floridan Aquifer, which is one of the largest aquifers we have, but unfortunately they connected a polluted source of water directly to future generations' drinking water. So that's kind of where Sweetwater Wetlands comes in. The city was given a couple options back in 2006 when they did a water quality test on the water going into the sink. Of course, found it was compromised. So the options were to invest $45 million into the current wastewater treatment facility from the 50s, just to update it to handle the economic and population expansion that Gainesville was experiencing at the time, or invest $27 million to reestablish the wetlands, basically turn back the clock, so to speak, on what the Camp family did to the environment. And that's, of course, what we did. So people can come here and experience a fantastic place to see native wildlife in its natural habitat. But at the same time, we're filtering 6 to 8 million gallons of water that we get from the creek every day.